House, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.
If you're doing seed starts, seeds are good, but one of the challenges with seeds is that we've got a lot of hungry birds out there right now, and they're going to often nip the tops off. Now, to mitigate that, you can actually go to the dollar store and get some little black cage, garbage pails that are like a mesh netting, and you can just stick them over the top of your plants, and that's a great way to keep the birds off for the first couple weeks until they've got at least 4 mature leaves, and then they're not as susceptible to being eaten by the birds, because the birds are really going after that initial little sprout leaves because they're full of protein and so many nutrients. The birds are snipping those off, but if those are gone before the other mature leaves grow, the plant's going to die. It's just not going to survive that. And so, or even mice. Mice are nipping the tops off of a lot of people's plants too, and those are hard to mitigate because they can crawl right over whatever height you give it. They'll just climb right over it and eat your seedling. So protecting them, obviously, in the first couple of weeks is very important. If you start them indoors, great idea. Then transplant them outside as soon as they have at least 4 mature leaves. And then they'll have a higher likelihood of sustaining the transplant as well as mitigating against any creature trying to snip at them.
Rosie on the House, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.